Before we start things up, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm, big round of applause for our mom and dad for their special tango dance number. Just kidding. Masyado kasi naging serious kanina pa. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give our microphone to our mom and dad. Please say hi to everybody. Dad, Mom.
Good evening po sa lahat. Good evening everyone. Hello, love, again. Oh, sorry.
Huwag mo ikaw kwento.
Thank you for coming.
Hello po sa lahat. Thank you guys for coming. Very much appreciated your time.
Yes. Birthday mom, everybody. And how about the little sister? Sorry, you want to say happy birthday?
Happy birthday!
Wow. And of course, our birthday girl, Slide. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Say thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Hope you have fun.
Hope you have fun.
Yes, of course we will. Now, Dad, do you think ready na ba sila? Do you feel ready na ba yung